Hey, it's Eric here. Hopefully you're doing well. In this video, I am super excited for this one because I've got something really amazing to share with you, and you're gonna absolutely love this. Check this out. So I'm currently logged into my Stripe account right here, and as you can see, I just recently had a $1,000 sale come through in my Stripe account. And before you ask, no, this is not a fake screenshot. I'll even do a quick refresh to show you that this is 100% real. You're seeing this live on video, and this did indeed come through to my Stripe account, right? So in this video specifically, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make up to $1,000 in a single day with affiliate marketing, even if you're completely brand new, even if you have no prior experience, even if you are non-technical, and even if you hate selling with a passion, right? So super excited to get into this one, and I'll just show you real quick that, this isn't just myself that's getting results with this method, but this is also working for other members as well, such as, here's another member by the name of Garrett Berry. And he also just recently got a $1,000 commission just like 2 days ago from the time that I'm filming this. You also have Jeff Ruiz, who just recently got paid out, these big high ticket commissions like 1,242 right there, as you could see right there. And this is also really great for getting monthly recurring income as well, right? So as you can see right here, I've got these additional $20 monthly recurring incomes right here, right? So someone signs up, they pay like a monthly fee to get access to the program, and from that I get 20 bucks a month every single month as long as they remain a member. Now let me ask you this question for a minute. If you can get, for example, 10 20 people in the program just one time, you put in the work once to get them in the program, and every single month you're getting 20 bucks from each person that signs up, and you're getting that times 10 or times 20. Do you feel that that would make a difference in your life? I don't know about you, but to me, that sounds absolutely phenomenal. And that's another thing that really excites me about this program, right? So if you can get an additional couple $100 a month completely passively every single month from this exact method, or maybe even $1,000 or more, then that's also another really great bonus with this exact method right here that I'm going to show you, right? It's also really great for getting $100 a day. It's great for getting these mid-ticket commissions. And even if you're someone who is a big thinker and you want to make these ultra high ticket commissions like $2,000 in a single day, if you want to do double this program is also really great for that as well, right? So, and the thing that really excites me most about what I'm going to show you in this video is this is not just working for veterans in the industry, but this is also working for people who are completely brand new. Check this out. Here's a member by the name of Joe that just posted here like 14 hours ago. I just made my first sale with this exact program less than a week. Wonderful feeling getting the text for it, right? So as you can see right here, this is working for tons of people, both new members and also veterans in the industry, and I'm just super excited to share this with you in this video. Right now, before I reveal to you everything about how this all works and how to really get up and running, I want to first and foremost say that please watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of this video I've got a really cool bonus that you don't want to miss out on, and I know for a fact that it's going to help you shorten the learning curve and really maximize your results, which is another thing that really just I'm super excited to share with you, right? So here I am inside of my whiteboard right here, and I want to show you kind of everything that you need to have in place in order to really have success with affiliate marketing. Now, typically when you go out there and you go on sites like ClickBank or Digistore24 or any other marketplace out there, you could pick a product and promote something online. There's quite a few things that you need to learn to really have long-term success online, right? So you need to learn how to build up your own sales funnels. You need to learn how to do email marketing. You need to learn how to create your own videos or follow up with people, and all these different skill sets that you have to learn. But with what I'm going to show you in this video, you don't have to do any of these things, right? So this program that I'm going to reveal to you in a minute here provides to you everything that you need to have in place to really have success online, and it provides all these things for you. It's already pre-built, so you don't have to worry about building anything if you're not technical or anything along those lines. But I want to show you kind of the process in terms of what you would typically need to have in place, right? So the first thing is you need to have access to a capture page, right? So this is where someone lands on a page and they see a headline at the top, giving them some sort of teaser in terms of what they're going to get, and then they could decide to opt in by simply entering their email down below here, right? So, when you are sending traffic and you're promoting any sort of product online, you never want to send people directly to the affiliate link or the sales page, because, if you just do that, then, if they don't buy on the front end, then you're going to be wasting time and money on that traffic, right? So for that reason, it's important that you capture as much of the traffic as possible into leads, right? So when they opt in right here, they will get put onto the email list, where they could then be followed up with over and over and over again, right? So once they do this, they get taken to the next step in the funnel, which would be known as the sales page, or also known as the thank you page. And this is where it's got the video right here that does all the explaining and telling for you. It does, explains everything about the program that they need to know. And at the end of it, they will be instructed to click on the button down below here, and to actually buy the program, right? So when they do that and they decide to buy the program, then you of course get paid that commission, right? Now, let's say, for example, that you send a couple hundred people through this entire process. You send like 1,000 people through this entire process and nobody buys on the front end. Well, in that case, it's no big deal because you could always follow up with these people over and over again. You could send them back to the sales page at any point. You could follow up with these people. Or even if you aren't good when it comes to following up with these people, this exact program that I'm going to show you actually does all these things for you on your behalf, right? So even if you don't know how to write your own emails or you don't feel like setting up an autoresponder, this entire program that I'm going to share with you does all these things that that you would typically need to do, right, with other programs out there, right? So as long as you can consistently get people to opt in to a capture page and you can consistently get leads with what I'm going to share with you, you could have phenomenal results with this program. I'm going to show you in just a minute right here, right? But let's say, for example, that you send 1,000 people this entire process, and again, nobody buys on the front end. It's no big deal because if they buy, for example, a month down the road or 2 months down the road, then you're still going to get credited for that exact sale that you bring in, right? So although someone might not be interested right now, it's very likely that they'll be interested like a month or two down the road, and you're still going to get credit for that exact sale right there, right? So with that being said, I want to show you the exact program that I myself and tons of other people are leveraging to have phenomenal results online. And that program right here is a simple 4-step system that allows you to plug into 4 income streams, and it's very, very simple to follow, even if you're someone who's non-technical, right? So with this exact program right here, you've got 4 very simple steps. Step 1 is watch a quick video and join their Facebook group right here, so you can interact with the different members right here. Step 2 is probably the most important part right here, is where you'll need to set up your different income streams, right? So with this program, there's 4 main income streams that you could plug into, and it's important that when you go through here, you want to go through and set up all of your income streams to the highest level as possible that you can. So this way you can really maximize your results with this program, right? So you can go through here. You can set up any of them that you want. If you don't have to, of course, set up all of them right away, but I recommend coming at the highest level that you can afford in each income stream. So this way you can really maximize your results. Now, step 3 is to set up a simple e-wallet so you can get paid. And then step 4 is the simple back office tour that explains exactly how the entire program works. Now, once you have everything set up, then your main thing that you want to focus on here is getting traffic to any of these links that you have right here, right? So what's really nice about this program is that it provides to you done for you capture pages that you could simply plug into, as well as videos that are pre-recorded for you that you can simply just send people to, and they will do all the explaining for you, right? So you could use any of these capture pages that you want right here. And for example, if we open up this one right here, as you could see, like I mentioned, it has a headline at the top that gives them a teaser in terms of what they're going to get, and then here it shows a little preview of the video that they will see when they opt in, right? So if someone wants to click on this video, they're going to need to first opt in before they could watch that video, right? So this is, of course, converting very well for a lot of other members that are using this, which is really great because you could simply just replicate this entire system right here, right? So what happens is once you send someone to this page right here, and they're like, okay, I want to watch this video, but do that, they're going to need to opt in. But once they opt in, they're going to be coded to you, and they're going to be followed up with on your behalf, right? So, the emails are going to go out on your behalf. They're going to do all the explaining and telling for you. They're going to get people back onto the video, even if they don't buy it right away. And once they buy, whether it's a month or 2 down the road, you're still going to get credit for that exact sale right there. Now, the question is, how exactly do you go about getting eyeballs to any of these capture pages right here? Well, the answer to that is actually income stream number 4 inside this program, which is a source known as Traffic Authority, right? So inside of this program right here, this is where you can actually buy traffic to promote any of your capture page links that you have right here, right? So what you could do is you could simply go into Traffic Authority, you could select the package that you want, and what's really great about this is that, with this, you don't have to worry about, setting up your own ad or doing copywriting or anything along those lines. You simply just pay for the clicks that you want, and they will do all the marketing for you. They're going to send the traffic to any website that you want, right? So what you do is you just select the package that you want, so for example, basic package for $220 will get you about 170 to 190 clicks. So you select that, and then step 2 is you simply enter the link that you want to promote, right? So what you'd want to do here is grab any of the links that you have right here. For example, this one, you right-click, click on copy link address, and then you simply just paste that link right in this field right here. And once you do that, then you simply just complete the transaction, and then they will start the traffic order on your behalf, right? So I want to kind of show you actually some of my results that I'm getting as of right now with this exact traffic source right here. So currently right now, I have a traffic run currently going with them, which is for about 990 clicks. And out of those clicks, so far, they've sent 332 clicks. So it's still the the ad is still going. They're still sending clicks over to my link on my behalf. But out of these 332 clicks, as you can see right here, 95 of them have opted into the page right here. Which, if you do the math, that is about a 28% opt-in rate that I'm getting with this exact traffic source right here, right? So this just goes to show you that, this traffic source is converting. It's converting very well, and the opt-in rate is really good. The quality of traffic that you're getting is also really great. And as long as you can consistently get eyeballs to any of your capture pages right here, then you could have phenomenal results with this program. I truly 100% believe that. And the main thing is just being consistent, right? So as long as you're consistently getting leads, and those leads are being followed up with, whether you're doing your own follow-ups or even if you just let the system do all the the work for you, then you could have phenomenal results with this program. And I truly 100% believe that to be the case, right? So you might be on this video right now and you might be thinking, yeah, well, how do I know that I'm going to actually get results with this program? And how do I know that, how could I really maximize my results with this exact program? And that is what brings me to the amazing bonus that I want to give you when you decide to take action right now and you join through the link of the button down below, right? So down below this video, there's going to be a link or a button down below that'll take you to this exact program. You could, of course, check it out for yourself. You can get access to this entire same system that I myself and tons of other members are using. And what you could actually do is you could plug into this entire system and simply just get up and running and just follow the steps and start getting results. Now, what I want to do for my specific members when you decide to join through the link of the button down below is I want to provide you a really cool bonus to really help you get up and running, help you shorten the learning curve, and really help you maximize your results as much as possible, right? So what you're going to get access to here is my exclusive training that shows you how to get up and running with this program. I show you everything in terms of how to get up and running. I show you how to get up in the right mindset. I show you how to set up your entire MIF system, all that type of stuff right there. And I also show you how to set up your exclusive done for you funnels, right? So in this section right here, I allow you to leverage my exclusive funnels that I use to promote this exact program right here, right? So what's also great about this is not only can you use the links that the program gives you, but I've also got some exclusive funnels of my own that I also provide to my members, where you can leverage my entire sales funnels that you'll see, below this video or anywhere in the program. And you could use not only my capture pages, my sales video, all the type of stuff, but I also provide my own follow-ups as well, right? So the benefit as to using my funnels as opposed to just the ones in the program is that it allows you to have a little bit more control. You could add your own follow-ups if you want to. You could do your own email broadcasts, so it allows you to have a bit more control with these funnels. You could edit them at any point, so you could fully customize them to however you're liking. But this is completely optional. You don't have to use what I give you. You could just use the ones that they give you right here. But not only that, I also show you how to become unique. So I show you everything in terms of how to build up your own funnels, how to create your own sales videos. I show you how to build up your own list, how to write out your own emails and all that type of stuff. And again, all of this right here is completely optional, but this is specifically for those who want to really maximize their earnings and really help stand out from the competition out there, right? So if you want to do that, then that's exactly what this training is for right here. And I also show you the best ways of driving traffic, right? So in this section, I show you everything in terms of how to get up and running with traffic. I show you free versus paid methods. I show you the best paid traffic strategies, how to use Facebook and YouTube. That's all in here. And you can simply use any of these methods to get eyeballs to any of your links right here, right? So the main thing that you need to do to have success with this program is getting eyeballs to any of these capture page links that the program gives you. Or alternatively, you could use the ones that I give. But as long as you can consistently generate leads with this exact program, then I know for a fact you could do phenomenally well with this exact program. So if you're on this video right now and you see an opportunity for yourself, you're like, I'm ready to go. I want to get these high ticket commissions online. I want to generate $240 online per day. I want to generate these high ticket, massive commissions online every single day. Then go ahead, visit the link of the button down below. Get started today, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.